Welcome back. We're going to now do a mixed practice problem with multiplying rational numbers. So let's read this problem here. It says Carmen went rock climbing at the climbing gym for 1.5 hours on Thursday. On Saturday, she went to Castle Rock State Park and climbed for 1.5 times as long. How much time did she spend rock climbing in all? So first she climbed at the gym for 1.5 hours. And then she went to the park and she climbed 1.5 times as long. So times as long as 1.5. How much time did she spend rock climbing in all? So we need to figure out how much she climbed in all. So I have a question. What two operations are we doing in this word problem? Well, first, we found out she climbed for 1.5 hours. So let's go ahead and write that down. So 1.5 hours. And then she climbed for 1.5 times that amount. So I'm going to multiply by 1.5. This is going to give us how much time she climbed at the state park. So she climbed this amount at the climbing gym. However, this product is going to tell us how much time she climbed at the state park. So I need to multiply 1.5 by 1.5. Again, we need to change these mixed numbers into improper fractions. To do that, we have to multiply our numerator by our whole number. So 2 times 1 is 2, and then we have to add our numerator. 2 times 1 is 2, plus a 1 gives us 3, and then we keep our same denominator, which is 2. I'm keeping my multiplication. Again, I need to change this mixed number to an improper fraction. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 gives me 3. Keep my same denominator as 2. Then I have to multiply my numerators. Those are the numbers on top. 3 times 3 is 9. Then I have to multiply my denominators, the numbers on the bottom. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, I can't simplify this, but if you wanted to, you can change it back to a mixed number. But we're going to keep it as 9/4 for now. Then it asks, how much time did she spend rock climbing in all? Well, when it asks for a total in all, that means addition. So we're going to add. So we started with 1.5 hours on Thursday at the climbing gym. So this is for Thursday, 1.5. And then we found out here that at the state park, she spent 9.25 hours. So we're going to add 9.25. In order to add, you found out that we first need to have a common denominator. So on this one, I have 2 and 4. First, what I'm going to do to make this easier for myself is I'm going to change this mixed number to an improper fraction. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus the 1 is 3. Keep my same denominator, which is 2, plus 9/4. So on one of them, I have a denominator of 2, and on the other, I have a denominator of 4. So what number can I use to make these equivalent denominators? So I know 2 can turn into 4. So I'm going to take this 3 halves, and I'm going to multiply by 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. So my new number is 6/4, and then I'm adding 9/4 to that. So now I'm going to move this over here so I have a little more space. So I have 6/4 plus 9/4. First, I have to add my numerators. So 6 plus 9, that gives me 15. And then I keep my same denominator, which is 4. I can't simplify this, but I can change it back into a a mixed number. So I have 15 divided by 4. So let's see how many times 4 can go into 15. 4 can go into 15 3 times. That is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. So I have 3. Here's the 3 here, so that's going to be my numerator, and my denominator is this 4. So she spent a total of 3 hours, 3 3/4 hours rock climbing.